Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So it's another Target haul. I'm telling you guys, if y'all don't know, you're about to find out. The Hearth and Hand new collection is amazing. It's very much giving me a modern vibe. It's giving me a RH dupe vibe. It's giving me a art house vibe. It's giving me a Pottery Barn vibe, just not on that price point. So I got a few things. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show you how I style it. And then also towards the end of the video, I'm going to do a giveaway because we're this close to hitting the 2K mark. We're not quite there, but we're very close. And I want to show you guys what I like to, some of the gift ideas that myself and JB came up with that I want to just show you guys and just to highlight our appreciation for just rocking with us. So let's get this started, okay? Hey guys, so I'm in Target and I saw this McGee piece. This is beautiful. That's nice, kind of amber looking. I like that. That might be nice with even some flowers in it. And of course, if you're the pumpkin, I don't think I'm doing much for the fall, but these are here. These are the threshold. I like stuff like this. That's kind of neutral, but still yet for the season. And this is $10. They're doing some work in this Target section. They're gonna make the Cedar McGee section a little bit bigger. Oh wow, here was a taller one. You can definitely put some flowers in that. That's nice. I like this. Let me see. That's pretty. Heavy. This is really pretty, very rustic. You can do some white flowers in here. That'd be really pretty. I think it's too rustic for me though. This is nice too. I'm just really 25. I just think having fun vessels, that's gonna be a lasting styling. Definitely check your store for stocks. They do have the wooden links back. They do. I saw this one here. This garland is really good. This is really, really good. They have like a whole lot of the marble arches, very much a CB2 dupe. And if you ever need inspiration, sometime if you come to Target and look at how she styles it, it's definitely a vibe. So you can kind of get your own ideas from how to do your thing. All right guys, this is the Joanna Gaines Hearth and Hand with Magnolia. I have these are really, really beautiful. Okay guys, so if you got this point, let's talk about the giveaway, okay? So I'm not quite sure. Okay, let me just show you what that we're giving away. So of course, we're giving it one of these links, one of these wooden links. Okay, that's one. The second thing we're gonna give away is this garland. And I'm giving away things that I love, right? And things that I feel like that will work with any decor style. This right here is not wooden, it's ceramic. So this as well And then I'm also gonna be giving away a gift card to two gift cards, one to HomeGoods and one to Target. Each gift card is gonna be $75 each. So definitely the two links and then two gift cards. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe, comment, interact on the subscribers. Okay guys, so you see the giveaway. To be qualified for the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. That's all you have to do. Be subscribed and comment below. Yeah, subscribe and comment below. Yeah, subscribe, comment below. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.